Grip 55 OnyxBlack by Victorinox. We've given our iconic pocket knife a glossy makeover, raising its style game to new heights. Meet the lustrous Ranger Grip 55 OnyxBlack. Thanks to a special polyspectral process, the monochrome black finish not only looks timelessly classy, it's extra durable, too. This sleek knife combines exceptional multifunctionality and tackles all cutting tasks with strength and charisma. Specifications. Length: 5.1 inches equals 13 centimeters. Width: 0.9 inches equals 2.3 centimeters. Weight: 5.9 ounces equals 167 grams.
Yo, what's up? It's your boy X-Treme and welcome back, players, to another video, another review, and we are going to do another product that I got from Surplus Malta and Mosta, my G's. I'm going to link their website and the link in the description, or also their Facebook page, so you can contact them directly. And we have here a Victorinox product that I got, my G's. It's dope. So without further ado, let's dive in, my boys. Catch first and see what it is. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So yeah, players, here we are with a nice big brown bag. Pause on that, my G's. I'm gonna remove the shit out of here. I don't know what to do with this bag already. Do that shit, do this shit, and throw that shit, and take some shit. And the product that I'm going to review from Victorinox is BAM! The Onyx Ranger Grip Black, my G. 55 Ranger Grip 55 OnyxBlack. Side. This is the Ranger Grip 55 OnyxBlack. Code. Made in Switzerland, obviously, SwissMade. Let's put some, that I have the paper here that I have to read. Bam. Remove this. Let me put this safe so it will not fly. So it's in 3, 2, 1. Well, oh my days, bruv. Oh my days. Oh my days. So some information, the box and some stuff like that. We're gonna come to this bad boy right here. Yep. Okay. Has a can opener. It has everything daily needed, my G's, and I'm gonna tell you what it has. So this tool right here, the Ranger Grip, it has tweezers, lanyard, toothpick, key ring, obviously, no shit, Sherlock, corkscrew, wood saw, bottle opener, screwdriver 5mm, lockable, of course, everything is lockable, wire stripper, large blade, a very large blade, my G's, can opener, bottle opener, also a can opener, but not this. I will show you. Another screwdriver, 10mm, and razor punch and swing out. That's everything in the knife here. This emblem right here, this is the lock mechanism of the item, of the shits right here. Yo, why am I nothing? So this is the blade. It's a very large blade, yo. Damn, that's large. And
it's so big.
The blade is 4 inches, 10.2 centimeters. To show you the comparison with the Swiss tool that I made the review, the Swiss tool plus. Damn, that's a nice pouch. The blade is not even close, yo. Look at this shit. Look how long it is, yo. Look at the difference. You know, let me put it aside. I told you it's a 4-inch blade with a 3.25 inches edge. You know, its edge is 8.3 centimeters. Bam, like that. And this one right here is the lock mechanism. You push down and you close it. Here I think you have the saw. Damn, yo, this is large as well, yo. This is thick. Has some oil, and the saw is also 4 inches long, 10.2 centimeters. You know, damn, that's a large ass blade, yo. Also, oh, this is not lockable. The blade is lockable. This is not. You see, I'm not pressing nothing. Bam. So be careful, my G's, that's not lockable. Here we have the corkscrew. As well, I'm gonna take this one from this right here. Sorry, my G's, it's out of focus. But I'm filming outside and it's fucking hard. And I will put this one right here. Oh my god, it keeps going in, yo. Pause. I'm gonna put it right here. Sorry, my G's. I'm putting it right there, like this. It will stay or no? Does it stay or no? It will not stay. Does it stay? No, it will not stay, yo. It will not stay, yo. No, it will not. It will not stay. This one is wider, yo. The corkscrew is more wider than this one. For some reason. I don't know, yo. For whatever reason, this corkscrew is more wider than the other one. So this is the corkscrew. This one is the punch/owl or sewing shit. Yeah. You know, these are the tweezers, toothpick. This is the toothpick right here. There's a toothpick. Oh my god. Now they are fucking. And this one is the tweezers. I'll get a good focus in there. Bam, right there. Okay. There's the tweezers right there. This one is the can opener. This is the can opener, and this is the screwdriver right here. This is not lockable, as you can see. Yeah, I need to clean this shit ASAP, yo. And this is the wire stripper, bottle opener, and the screwdriver, flathead screwdriver. As well, wire stripper, bottle opener, and the screwdriver. Did I miss something? What's so-called screw keyring? No, toothpick, screwdriver, wire strippers, blade. Nah, we didn't miss shit, yo. We didn't miss shit. But the blade, though, I'm impressed, yo. I am impressed, yo. I am impressed. Let me test some shit up. You know, I have everything written, the script. Yeah, am I holding it right? Damn, that's wicked sharp, yo. That's wicked sharp, yo. Come on, blade, don't do me like that, blade. Maybe because I'm holding it wrong, you know, to show off camera and something like that, but yo, that's wicked sharp, yo. I'm holding it to see if I can shit on the camera and stuff like that, but I can't fucking do this shit. But yeah, you know what you know how wicked sharp they are here, right? It's Victorinox, that's Victorinox right here. It's a fingerprint magnet, my G's, so be careful. So just the plate is lockable with this button right here. Again, this one is not lockable, but damn, it's a nice blade, yo. It's a nice blade. This is going to be everyday carry. This one is going to be in my backpack. You know, let me close the knife. Let me put it back right here. You know, this one is gonna be on my backpack, in my backpack. This one is gonna be on me, yo. It's an everyday carry item, you know. So yeah, that was it for this video. That was the review of the Ranger Grip 55 Onyx Black. Let me just do this because I'm in OCD shit, you know. That was it apparently. This screwdriver, it's you have one of them is 55mm and one of them is 3mm. You know, they are good. Can opener, it's dope as well. You know, can opener, bottle opener. This one is the bottle opener, you know, to open bottles of beer or soda or something like that. I think that's the 5mm screwdriver. That's the can opener with a 3mm screwdriver as well, small screwdriver. Damn, but the look of this, yo, I can't, man. You know I'm in love with Victorinox, yo. So yeah, players, that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and hit notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. I will link again, a big shout out to Surplus Malta, my G's. I will link their Facebook page, also their website, and the link in the description, you know, down below. So questions, ask them and tell them your boy send you. You know, they might hook you up also. So yeah, players, share my video, comment right down below to review next, maybe. You know, maybe a product from Victorinox or Leatherman and stuff like that, you know. Maybe I will do another video comparing this and the Leatherman Surge, you know. I will do another video and stuff like that, you know. So yeah, guys, it's your boy X-Treme. I'm out. Peace, your boy is out.